Hello, my name is Marbella. I am 21 years old and I love my career is the most. My family is conformed by my parents, my siblings and me. I have two brothers called Alberto and the other one Pedro, and two sisters who are called Sarai and Laura. In my daily life I get up 6 o'clock and I usually take a bath before going to the school and then have a breakfast. For my breakfast, I generally have fruit, cereal, and coffee. I can't everything always. I can't be without eating more than 5 hours. I can't swim because I am afraid of the water. I can't run for too long time. I can play games all day. There is a cat that always comes to my house. There were plants in my front of my house, but now there are a lot of buildings. When I work, I want to go to England because I like English people. I don't want to go to the United States because I don't like Americans. I would really like to go to Japan and eat some teriyaki. Also, I would like to go to the parks and the mountains. I really like my country Mexico. It's hot on summer and cold on winter. It has beautiful beaches and peaceful mountains. It has tasty food and colorful clothes. My house has a lot of furniture. I have a lamp, a sofa, and some chairs on my living room. I have a fridge, microwave, a stove, and an oven on the kitchen. And finally, in my room, I have a bed and wardrobe. Thank you.